Start with a big question about Moderna. Why is it that COVID is now part of the past, and what is in their future?
Well, great to be here with you. COVID is definitely a bit of an old story. Certainly, we're now into year 3 or 4 of the outbreak. And as you look at what the stock has been doing, it's already been down 75% over the last couple of years after reaching the highs. And people are quite fatigued on Wall Street about talking with the COVID sales. So looking forward, we tell you about the extremely positive personalized cancer vaccine data last week in partnership with Merck, which is extremely bullish, and a whole other wave of pipeline programs that are coming. And so now investors are looking forward to what's around the corner, not talking about the old COVID story, which everyone's pretty tired about talking about.
Now, the big part of this story in your mind is PCV cancer. We're talking about basically a very, it's not extremely rare, but it's a type of blood disorder, right? And the possibilities that mRNA-type vaccine products could help solve that issue. How big of a market are we talking about? And could this lay the blueprint for other types of cancer treatments down the line?
That's a great question, and it's exactly what we're talking about, is that the cancer vaccine, the personalized cancer vaccine, which was partnered with Merck, showed stunning melanoma data last week, and Merck is quite bullish. The point is that Merck is also starting a lot of new studies, including in lung cancer, and essentially this program could work in many, many tumor types. It could be a $10 billion type of opportunity. So if you take the cancer indications, which obviously show the power of the platform, as well as imminently soon RSV vaccine data coming up imminently. And of course, I know everyone in New York and around the world have been hearing about RSV. There's certainly a lot of stuff coming over the next month, the next year, that are going to be important and send the stock a lot higher this year.
And before we let you go, mRNA is a big deal. We know that. We know that the technology being used has also been used by Pfizer in concert with BioNTech with regard to their COVID vaccine. What other people out there could be beneficiaries of this kind of cancer advancement?
Well, look, I would just say that the bottom line is Merck, as I'll say again, is keenly interested in it, paid them a bunch of money and was quite bullish on the last earnings call. They've spoken positive about that. Certainly other big pharma companies as well, I'm sure, are taking a close look at this, given the recent data. And so going forward, I think the bottom line is a story that has obviously come well off the highs. If you take a look at the stock chart, certainly poised to rebound in 2023 as people look to the new pipeline.
All right. Michael Yee on the upgrade of Jeffrey over at Jefferies. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.